Hello everyone! Perhaps there is no person in the world who does not like traveling. Do you remember that great feeling when you drive through various beautiful places, discovering a lot of new things and getting inspiration? And what will you say if you were offered with an opportunity to travel and live around the world in comfort, and even in a luxury house on wheels with all the amenities? I'm sure that no one would refuse such an offer. Today, I offer you to look at the most luxurious and expensive buses that look like real mansions. Now, keep watching. First of all, I have to say right away that only a few people can afford this personal travel bus because its price is $3 million. The length of this masterpiece for the richest is 12 meters. All interior details were created according to the design ideas of high-class specialists, and everything is made of expensive materials. The Element Palazzo is as beautiful inside as it is outside. The interior is even equipped with an entire room in which you can control the temperature, light, and sound effects. There is also a bathroom in which everything is furnished with marble. There is also a kitchen, and above all this luxury, there is a transparent glass roof, thanks to which you can enjoy the beauty of bright stars at night. However, in this bus, everything offers the highest level of quality and comfort. It was important for the manufacturer to create an environmentally friendly transport, which will consume 20% less fuel than other buses thanks to modern technologies and streamlining. At the same time, the maximum speed of such a royal vehicle is only 100 miles per hour. Newmar King Air is a mobile royal mansion that is famous for luxury, innovation, and quality. By the way, it is equipped with a powerful Cummins ISX turbocharged diesel engine with 600 horsepower and high-quality tyres. The motorhome has a comfort drive steering system with a high-power control. Another important thing about this motorhome is its new Safety Cruise safety system with a collision avoidance sensor, which helps to avoid hazards when driving in bad weather. The main hall and the spacious kitchen are decorated with mahogany, giving all residents of the SUV a constant feeling of a luxurious life. The living room offers 2 upholstered sofas, a set of dining furniture, a washing machine with a clothes dryer, a porcelain floor, and a separate shower room with LED lighting. The price for such a vehicle for comfortable travel is about $740,000. The Furian Elysium motorhome is more like a luxury yacht with a helipad and a jacuzzi. There is everything you need for the most comfortable stay. This miracle of engineering is estimated to be 14 meters long and costs around $2,200,000. Is it too much? Not at all. Interestingly enough, Furian Elysium has retractable sections that significantly increase the interior space, thereby making it possible to get a large and spacious room. 2 large 4K TVs are mounted outside, which can be used to organize an improvised outdoor cinema. There is a large luxurious sofa in the living room with a fireplace which immediately catches the eye. At the front of the motorhome, there is a kitchen with a full-size refrigerator, a wine compartment, a mini dishwasher, and even an oven. There is also a smart toilet and shower on board, which can be used as a steam room. At the same time, the bedroom on the second floor offers a double bed. An entertainment system with touchscreens is mounted inside the Furian Elysium. On the roof of the mobile home, there is a helipad and a jacuzzi with a relaxation area. As you can see, it belongs to the world of real luxury. The Featherlight Company decided to use a lot of their money to create their Vulner Platinum Plus. One will find sculptures decorated with Swarovski crystals, marble steps, furniture made of Italian leather and suede, decorative items made of bronze and onyx, and many other elements. All this done so neatly and expensively that the Vulner Platinum Plus can undoubtedly be considered an upscale mobile mansion for trips. The master bedroom has a double bed with plasma TV, a bathroom with an expensive bathtub from France, a washing machine and dryer, as well as a built-in treadmill for running. The driver's compartment is equipped with modern AVIC N2 GPS system with real-time updates and warnings about bad weather. Therefore, even without leaving the motorhome, one will always know all the news about what is happening around. An additional feature is a special retractable compartment where one can easily place a two-seater sports roadster. As you can guess, the cost of such a mobile home is really high and amounts to $2.5 million. The new 14-meter bus by Porsche design immediately attracts attention and impresses with a particularly high level of comfort. The Newell Coach P50 model was immediately bought from the company for $2 million. The interior of the entire living space of this luxury motorhome is made exclusively from premium materials. It has absolutely everything one may need for a great life while traveling. It offers a well-equipped kitchen with a convection oven and an induction hob, a living room with large sofas that turn into a second bed, and an additional bathroom of a reduced size. There are also 4 air conditioners to maintain a perfect microclimate inside the cabin, a washing machine and dryer, and 3 TVs, one of them a 55-inch LG 4K UHD located in the master bedroom. The Newell Coach P50 is equipped with a 605 horsepower Cummins X15 engine, a 20 kilowatt generator, video surveillance and video monitoring systems with 10-inch displays. Moreover, the motorhome offers an innovative VIP smart wheel steering wheel with many additional adjustments, a tire pressure monitoring system, as well as a premium driver's seat. The Studio was the first model by Anderson Mobile Estates, and Will Smith liked it very much. It is known for certain that the actor lived in it during the filming of Ali, Men in Black 3, and the Pursuit of Happiness movies. According to his request, the vehicle was slightly modified, and this is how. The Heat model appeared. This is a monstrous 2-story house on wheels that will give odds to other similar vehicles. This modern mobile home offers 366 square meters of living space on 2 floors. The first floor is a classic example of a motorhome. It has almost everything you need for a regular life. An equipped kitchen with a dining area and a living room, which serves as a dressing room when Smith uses the vehicle. There is also a small dressing room and a private office. There is a shower and sauna, and it took about $25,000 to finish the bathroom alone. As you can see, the second floor was created thanks to the expanding roof, allowing one to organize a cinema hall for 30 people on the upper floor. In addition, there is a 110-inch screen in the cinema hall. There are also 14 TVs and a variety of various electronic gadgets on board the motorhome. Strangely enough, there is no separate bedroom. The magnificent Integra Cornerstone bus, in addition to its advanced design, offers maximum convenience, including electric seats with 8 adjustment levels, as well as a smart wheel system and advanced mobile eye technology. The creators of this giant claim that one can control the car quite easily without doing anything for it. The elegant interior includes a main suite with a large wardrobe and a bed, an entertainment system and a sound panel. The vehicle also offers such interesting features as quartz work surfaces, heated porcelain floors, comfortable showers, and a whole bunch of everything that will make one's vacation bright, comfortable, and unforgettable. For example, there is an elegant dressing room made of the highest grades of cedar, as well as quartz countertops, a stereo system, and a modern bar. Given its huge size and luxurious details, one can live in such a motorhome for a very long time without experiencing any discomfort. Of course, it is possible only if you are willing to pay a decent amount of $465,000 for it. The Vulner Mobile company from Germany has introduced a new version of its expensive Performance S motorhome. It was estimated at $1.8 million, and this price reached the level of most exclusive supercars. This motorhome is built on the frame of a Mercedes-Benz Actros truck, and in terms of its size, it is quite comparable to buses. The length is 12 meters, the width is 2.5 meters, and the height is 3.85 meters. The Performance S weighs as much as 18 tons and is equipped with a 460 horsepower Volvo turbo diesel engine. A large 350-litre tank allows one to go a long journey. The layout and interior decoration are discussed with each customer individually, so a variety of options are offered. Inside the vehicle there is a living room, a kitchen with a stove and a refrigerator, sleeping places, and a small bathroom with an 800-litre water tank. In general, the Performance S model is equipped with climate control, a fairly large TV, a powerful audio system, heating, ventilation, and a massage system for seats. All electrical equipment is powered by solar panels on the roof. In addition, the driver has an adaptive cruise control system for automatic braking and lane keeping. And perhaps the most interesting feature of the motorhome is the compartment for a passenger car. A Porsche 911 Turbo sports car is included with the Vulner Mobile Performance S. The Concord Centurion 1200 GST is described as a mobile castle, and it is a truly luxurious vehicle offering a level of comfort that can be compared to the most modern home. In addition, the motorhome is mounted on a Mercedes-Benz Actros 1830L chassis and boasts a garage where you can store the car. For quite a lot of money, the buyer will receive a lot of features, such as a 6-cylinder engine, radar cruise control, a built-in awning on the roof, automatic electric blinds, a couple of solar panels, and a video surveillance system. The vehicle is finished with the best materials that give it a luxurious appearance. Cabinets made of satin cedar, chrome elements, and different types of flooring are used to create separate zones inside. The bathroom is luxurious and exquisite, offering a modern shower and marble finish. It looks like this motorhome is almost perfect. I have to say that no one knows what mobile homes will be like in the future. Perhaps they will look very futuristic, but one thing is clear for sure: they will be equipped with unusual interiors and high-tech functions. These unusual and luxurious vehicles will allow one to travel like a real celebrity. As you can see, many motorhomes are so unique that their cost is sometimes estimated in millions of dollars, so they become a real dream, along with the famous luxury supercars. Do you know someone who will resist traveling in such a luxurious vehicle while enjoying the highest level of comfort?